Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
As Australia's electric vehicle market continues to grow, a concerning trend is emerging, an alarming rise in EV graveyards, where old cars are being left to gather dust, waiting for someone brave enough to take on the daunting task of repairing them. At ElectroDrive News, we're here to explore what's behind this problem and why it could have far-reaching consequences for Australia's fledgling EV industry. According to car expert Paul Merrick, a recent case in point involved an insurance company writing off a brand-new electric vehicle after just 300 kilometers of use due to minor damage. The repair cost was deemed too high, leaving the car owner with a costly bill and a vehicle that can't be fixed. What's even more striking is that this incident highlights the lack of qualified mechanics in Australia who are equipped to handle modern EVs. The problem is twofold. Firstly, there simply aren't enough skilled technicians to go around. Secondly, existing repairers face an onslaught of hoops to jump through just to make it viable to fix these cars. And that's exactly what Nicholas Rio, general manager at Right to Drive, a company supplying motorists with replacement vehicles after accidents, is grappling with. At ElectroDrive News, we're working closely with the repair network to get more clarity on best practice and safe repair procedures for electric vehicles. But despite these efforts, concerns persist about the battery damage that can often be a major challenge, an expensive repair that may even exceed the car's value. Meanwhile, in NSW, Fairtrade is proposing changes to the state's motor dealers and repairers regulation, which could significantly exacerbate this problem. The proposed changes would require mechanics to pass certain training courses before they're legally allowed to service and repair electric and hybrid vehicles. A move that industry experts like Stuart Charity from the AAAA warn could reduce access to essential repair services and increase costs for NSW motorists. As Australia hurdles towards its ambitious goal of having more than half of new car sales be electric and hybrids by 2030, this issue is set to have far-reaching implications. The question on everyone's mind now is, what can we do to address the shortage of qualified mechanics and ensure that our EVs are repaired safely? At ElectroDrive News, we're committed to keeping you informed and up to date on all things electric. Stay tuned for more updates as this story unfolds.